Hello, welcome to my travel diary. Today, let's do a short visit to Gadisar Lake in Rajasthan. Imagine a lake in the Thar desert. You won't believe it until you see it. So let's start. Gadisar Lake is in Jaisalmer district in Rajasthan. This is the way to the Gadisar Lake in Jaisalmer. You can also see a circle before entering the lake in the main highway. This is the main entrance of Gadisar Lake, known as Tilonki Pole. It is made of yellow sandstone on which you get to see many carvings. It's really amazing. The main attraction are the migratory birds which you get to see here. There are a few shrines and small temples on the sides of this lake. See the large canopy-like structure. They are big domed pavilion in the center of this lake. During summer seasons, you can actually walk and go there. If you look into the history, this lake was constructed by Raja Raval Jaisil, the first ruler of Jaisalmer. Later, it was reconstructed by Maharaval Gadi Singh in 14th century. Since it was remodeled by Maharaja Garisisar Singh, it was named on his name. At present, water is supplied from the Indira Gandhi Canal so that it never dries out even in the summers. Now it has turned out to be one of the most popular tourist site and picnic spot. October to March is the best time to visit this place. One can spend their early mornings and evenings peacefully enjoying the sunrise and sunsets. Other things to enjoy are the boat rides, a small local market to do some shopping, also puppet shows. Hope you have enjoyed, friends. Subscribe for more notes from my travel diary.